In a world increasingly shaped by AI, where automation is accelerating and information is abundant, there's one question every professional must ask. What part of my value, the difference I make, can AI not replace? And this is no longer a philosophical exercise because it's now important. Because if you don't know the answer, your clients, the market you're working in, even your confidence may start drifting towards a feeling of low self-esteem, irrelevance. AI is reshaping the landscape. But not all value is equal. It can draft, sort, summarize, research, analyze, and automate at breathtaking speed. But for many, that feels like a threat. Services that once felt premium can now be duplicated. Once essential offers now face downward pricing pressure. What I call a race to the bottom with fees. But here's the truth. AI disrupts what can be codified, but it cannot replace what is uniquely human. Emotional intelligence, ethical discernment, contextual judgment, storytelling, trust building. Reframing stuff, holding space during a conversation. That pause that allows you both to think. These soft skills are essential differentiators in my mind, and unless you learn to value them, the market will default to valuing what machines can replicate. And knowing your value, to me, has now become a strategic advantage. In the past, you could get by on credentials, but in my mind, this era, the real edge is your ability to build trust, articulate the difference your presence makes, guide clients through the noise with calmness and clarity. Price your services around the change, the transformation, not your time. It's being confident. And to achieve this, you must go deeper than what you do. You need to understand and own the difference you make. Because in an AI-powered world, that's what clients are going to buy. Your impact, your trust, and finding your value is a practice, not a position. And many professionals never stop long enough to reflect. What problems do I help solve that AI cannot? Where does my presence make a difference? People braver, more transparent. What evidence do I have of the transformations I create before and after? The act of finding your value is not ego-driven. It's service-driven. It helps you make better decisions, speak with clarity and courage because you know your value. And it gives your clients what they secretly crave. A human who sees them, gets them, can help them move forward. In my mind, the future belongs to the clear. As AI gets smarter, the marketplace will get louder. Knowing and owning your value is how you rise above it. So the real question is, can AI do what I do? It's, do I know what I do that AI can't? And if you do, the future is yours. And if you don't, now is the time to find out. If you're ready to explore this deeper, let's connect. Because in the world of intelligent machines, the human edge is the one that matters the most.